Let's see another device of representing a grammatical constituent in a sentence. So label bracketing is one of the most common ways of representing the constituent structure of sentences. There are many other methods, and tree diagramming is one of the these methods, which can also tell us that which elements can go together and which elements cannot go together in a sentence. So the tree diagram is a notational device which is entirely equivalent to label bracketing. Although different, obviously it's different from that. It provides the same information about the syntactic structure of a sentence. Same information, which is noun phrase, which is verb phrase, and which are its further smaller constituents. So if you look at this tree diagram of the sentence, the same sentence, the snake killed the rat and it swallowed it. So we can see that our main sentence 1 consists of two sentences, sentence 2 coordination and sentence 3, right? So sentence 1 dominate two sentences, sentence 2 and sentence 3, and again sentence 2 dominates a noun verb as a noun phrase and a verb phrase. A noun phrase dominates a determiner and a noun, the snake, and verb phrase again dominates a verb and a noun phrase, and a noun phrase after the verb phrase dominates a determiner and a noun phrase. Similarly, we know and is a coordinator, and sentence 3 consists of a noun phrase, it, which is optional here, and a verb phrase, swallowed and it. So we can easily know that which nodes, these are all nodes, right, dominates which other nodes. So we can easily say that sentence 2 dominates two noun phrases, two phrases, noun phrase as well as verb phrase. And similarly, we can see that, for example, the verb phrase of the sentence 2 dominates verbs and a noun phrase. So these are different ways of explaining different constituent of the sentence. So the lowest one is the terminal marks. So all these lines are branches of the tree. So this is the tree diagramming way of displaying a sentence to know its constituent. Like square brackets, we can easily know that which constituent is which in this sentence, which is noun phrase, verb phrase, and also we have gone down to it, and we can also know that which are lexical items and which are grammatical items. So the tree diagram provides the analysis of sentence 1 down to word level, determiner, noun, verb, etc. So it would be possible to stop at phrase level, noun phrase and verb phrase, or to go beyond the phrase level to determiner and noun. This is even we can go to the morphological level. We can divide swallowed into swallow and id, and similarly kill and id. This depends on the person analyzing the sentence or the taste of the person to go down up to the each level. You can make your grammatical analysis as detailed as you like or as is necessary for a specific purpose. The syntactic information contained in diagram 16 is essentially the same as that provided in 14, the previous topic. It is largely a matter of taste or practical convenience whether one chooses to the notations of bracketing or tree diagram. So it depends on the taste whether we go for square brackets or for tree diagram. The result is almost the same. We go up to the each constituent in the sentence and know what grammatical constituent or category that that word is, whether it's a lexical or grammatical word. So in the latter case, there must be no further nodes intervening between the nodes considered, right? So if we look at the bracketing, so we cannot go further to the smaller units. So the lexical items, the word the snake killed, are attached to the so-called terminal nodes, right? So the lowest nodes are terminal nodes of the tree diagram. The bottom nodes, the other nodes in the tree diagram, are non-terminal. The upper node, like noun phrase, verb phrase, etc. There is a convention which is generally used to sum up the system, expanding one unit into another. It is a set of instruction called phrase structure rules, or PS rules. So if you look at this 7a, this arrow shows that expanded or written. So we can say that S is expanded or written as coordination and sentence. So S consists of or written as noun phrase and verb phrase. V is expanded into verb and noun phrase. And 17D, noun phrase consists of either a determiner or a noun, or it may be a noun. So with the help of T diagram, we can reach up to these phrase structure rule, and we can know that what each grammatical category the sentence has.